In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add leaves in Zoho People. To begin, make sure you are already signed in to your Zoho People account and viewing the main dashboard. It helps to take a moment to confirm you are in the correct organization and that you have permission to apply leave, because some accounts limit this option based on your role. First, look to the left-hand sidebar and find Leave Tracker. This is the area where Zoho People manages leave activity, including requests, balances, and approvals. Click Leave Tracker to open the Leave section. When the page loads, let it fully refresh so the menus at the top are available. Next, go to the top menu and click Views. Views is where you can switch between different screens related to leave depending on what you need to do. Once you click Views, look through the available options and select Apply Leave. This will open the form used to submit a new leave request. Now you will fill in the request details. Start by selecting the employee name. Choose the correct employee from the list, and take your time here, especially if multiple employees have similar names. After that, select the leave type. This might include options such as vacation, sick leave, or other categories your company has set up. Picking the right leave type matters because it affects leave balances and how the request is routed for approval. After you have the employee and leave type set, select the date range for the leave. Enter the start date and the end date for the time off. Double-check the dates before submitting to avoid requesting the wrong days. If the leave is only for a single day, make sure the start and end date match. If the leave spans multiple days, confirm the full range is correct. Finally, when everything looks accurate, click Submit. This sends the leave request through Zoho People based on your organization's workflow. After submitting, it is a good idea to watch for any confirmation message on the screen so you know the request went through successfully. That covers everything you need to know.